Premiere Basics is totally changing the tutorial niche, and I have to figure out what their process is so I can get 200,000 subscribers as fast as they do. But what is this channel? They give a tutorial videos on how to do basic editing in Premiere Pro. But what they don't realize is I know where their headquarters is at, and I'm gonna spy and steal their secrets. But I need to be careful, because if they catch me, they will certainly lock me up and throw away the key. People with their big dumb windows. Step 1 of 4. It says quip. What the hell is a quip? Question, issue, problem. First step to making a great video is to answer a question or solve a problem or an issue with the audience that they're trying to serve. I can't see anything else in there. I'm gonna have to go inside and take a closer look. Luckily, I have a disguise for that. Okay, I got into the building now. Where is the room? Oh, it's in the step 1 room. What do they have listed down as a quip? Oh, boring videos. Oh, they surveyed their audience to ask them. But I don't have that kind of audience. If you don't have that kind of audience, what do we do? Well, if we already love the subject, we might know where our audience hangs out at. So we just go to those places like on Facebook groups or Reddit threads, and we take a look and see what issues people are having. Hell, we could even go to our competitors' YouTube channels and see what the comments are saying on their videos, and we could figure out exactly what issues people are having with as well. But then how do they find the right solution to this problem? Oh no, there's security. We got to get out of here. Regardless of what niche you're in, you need to figure out what the quip is for your audience before you can actually start making the video. The problem is I can't leave yet because I have to find the other steps. Oh, step 2, the room is just right here. Oh my God, we just entered into a storm. What is that, a brainstorming? Okay, I see here. Oh, looks like there's a discarded ideas. Oh, and there's a carded idea. Transitions and transition effects. I guess that's a really different idea to solving the boring video problem. Wait a second, but they don't have any other details in there. It just says transitions. What does that mean? How do you make a transition more exciting? Oh no, there's security again. We gotta go. It's awfully dark in here. Oh, this isn't a janitor's closet. Wait a minute. This is their whole outline, or at least step 3. What do they have listed here? Swooshes, whooshes, all sorts of stuff. That's what they do. They start listing all the information associated with that. So like if you're an exercise channel and the quip you've decided to solve is how to lose weight, and the solution to that is cardio, this would be like biking or running or making a schedule. Or maybe you're a movie review channel and the problem that people are asking is the movie good? And you decided that the solution is yes. And this is listing all the things that make it good, like the direction, cinematography, acting, all sorts of stuff. Hold on, gotta check outside to make sure that security isn't there. Okay, they're not. Let's go, 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 go. Whew, oh man, okay. What is in the, oh wow, look at all these computers and things like that. Wait, look at all the videos on the computers. That one is a voiceover with a screen capture. That one is a guy standing on a desk talking about transitions. That one, whoa, that's a guy with a safari talking about transitions where the transitions are like animals. This is step 4, mostly because it says it on the whiteboard. This is where you get to decide how you get to present all your information. The more unique it can be from your competitors, the better it probably is, which is probably why that one has like a big green check mark next to it. They've decided to tell a simple story instead of doing what everyone else is doing. Wow, this final step will really help. Now that we have the entire process, it's time to get out of here. Fortunately, the only way to get out of here is through the window. And there's no way I can actually, oh, there's a ladder right over there. Whew, that was close. But now we have the entire process to help us create a better channel. Ow. Now we have the entire process on how to create a better video for our channels. Presentation is probably the hardest one because it requires the most creativity. So to really up your presentation game, you need to check out this video right